I've been talking about the two-step funnel framework. A lot of people were asking me, I totally understand that some of you who have learned through my 6-day challenge or my Facebook ads for Shopee store program and all that, right? This is all using the two-step funnel framework, but some of you don't use the two-step funnel framework because, you know why? A lot of people find it complex. A lot of people find it confusing. Now, here's the thing. If you're learning something new, of course, you'll find it a little bit quite complicated to do at the very beginning. Just like the moment you're first learning about Facebook advertisement, the ads manager, everything looks complex to you, but the moment you do it for a while, everything becomes natural, right? Same goes to the two-step funnel framework. It takes a bit of practice, if you're asking. You need to practice it in order to start getting better at it. And the moment you get better at it, you'll be able to do this in an entirely different way. This is only some of the results that I captured in the last 1 week on some of my coaches program. Okay, I have a new program called the Facebook Ads Scaling Program. This is really for those people who really want to scale their Facebook ads campaign. So let's say if you have been spending, my threshold is at least you are spending at least $1,000 every month on Facebook ads, and you want to scale. You want to get better at it. You want to get a better result out of it. So let's say if you're spending $1,000, you want to double down, spend $2,000. You may not be able to get double your current result right now, because it's not as easy, as simple as you believe it is. So if you want to do that, then I will encourage that you apply for this, the Facebook ads scaling program. So this is a program where I will work with you for 5 weeks to really give you a walkthrough, as in like I'll be designing the two-step funnel framework for you, and I will implement it with you. You do it under my guidance. And after that, we will optimize it along the way until you reach a very solid. I guarantee you will start seeing result on week 2. So these are some of the result that I'm actually getting from my coaches over here. Can you imagine that? Do you want this for your Facebook ads campaign? Do you want this for your e-commerce Facebook ads campaign? This is an e-commerce business. So 162 ROS. That means you spend $1, you get $160 back. For the second one, you spend $1, you get $300 back. So that's kind of like a dream, okay? Basically, for people to to just go on that. So basically, if you want to do that, I would encourage that you join my Facebook Ads Scaling Program. This is not for everyone. I don't have it on website, but if you believe you've actually fit, you fit the criteria that we can work together, drop me a message on my Facebook page.